The student failed his driving test right at the car park, even before going out of the car park and starting the driving test. The test was at Greenslopes Test Center, and the test at Greenslopes starts in the car park and finishes in the car park as well. You see how this space is so tight, and there's a curb, there's a little island in the middle of the road. The student had a wide turn and went over this curb. If you do that, that's an instant fail. It's classified as a collision mounting a curb. Just make sure, if the test is at the car park and the space is tight, make your turn a bit sharper and just watch everything so you don't go over the island. So this student failed his driving test right at the car park, even before going out of the car park for the driving test.